Hey there mga my loves, Taurus! Thank you so much po sa patuloy at wala talaga ninyo napatid na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to, no? At sa mga hindi pa nakaka-knows mga babes na meron tayong new channel, ang All About Taurus. So yan ay dedicated to Taurians like you guys. Pero if you are a cross-watcher, syempre at gusto mo rito makibalita with your Taurian people right here, pwede kayo doon. Iwasan lamang ang pakikipag-away. So, ayan mga waves, no? So, ayan, cross-watchers, you're all welcome there. And syempre, kung meron kayong strong Taurus in your natal chart, mga babes, no, pwede rin kayo doon. So, the channel's name is all about Taurus, it's in the English language. So, yeah, the link is in the description box. So, yun nga, no, bago natin simulan ang energy check-in ninyo, Taurus, no, reminders that this is not for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. And syempre, kung feel mo ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. So, let's see. Ano ba rito ang mga mensaheng nararapat mong malaman? Taurus. So, let's go ahead and check what energy is for you guys. Tell me something about my Taurians. What are the things they need to know? This is for Taurus. Spiritual Angel, Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for your presence here in this reading. Can you please show me messages for my Taurians right here? Messages for Taurus, for your highest. Messages for Taurus. This is for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, signs. Taurus. Alright. Let's go. Oh, go the distance right here. Yeah, I remember yung isa sa mga reading ko, okay, previously, dun sa kabilang channel, yung All About Taurus, no? May kanta dun, Go the Distance, eh. Yeah, so whatever the case may be, looks like this is you. Yeah, you are about to hit the finish line right here. See? It's like you are about right here to achieve something and you are on the right path. We have here number 47. When you add it up, 4 plus 7 is what? 11. So it's the number of that. You are on the right path right here, Taurus. So mukhang you are on the right path right here to achieve here your dreams and goals in life. So we have here go the distance. You've been through a lot, no? Disyerto ito kung mapapansin mo, no? At bibihira diyaan ng tubig, no? So, maaaring dumating ka sa point na tagtuyot, no? Yung to the point na walang-wala ka, sobrang hirap makaahon, no? And you are all by yourself, no? No one is helping you talaga. Okay? No one supports you and even the people, no, na tingin mo na malapit sa'yo ay tinalikuran ka. Pero see, you are about um, to makarating dito, no? To reach this finish line, no? It's like a racing flag right here. So whatever the case may be, you're about to reach the end, and there's what? New beginning right here waiting for you. See? There is some kind of a pink, bluish, pastel colored skies right here for you guys. So it looks like magbabago na ang ikot ng buhay mo. Kasi kung ano man tong pinapangarap mo, yan na ang simulan ng pagbabago sa'yo. So, yeah, bongga. Alam nyo, mga babes, no, panoorin niyo yung Go the Distance, no. Alam mo ba, super, super emotional, no, reading na yun, no? Kasi naramdaman ko talaga yung pain mo, yung heartbreak mo. It's very, very difficult for you guys, pero nakalampas ka dun. Yeah, see? Exchanging gifts right here. So it looks like with this exchanging gifts, I'm picking up that this is the universe right here, no? Na nakikipag-exchange siya rito ng something from you. Okay? It's like you give them all of your burdens, lahat na napapabigat sa buhay mo, lahat ng problema mo, no? This is you na ibinibigay mo na sa kanila, kay universe right here, no? And the universe will exchange you some kind of blessings here in your life, the things that you want to manifest in your life, the things that you desire, everything that you want to attract here in your life. See? Ang kapalit ng lahat ng mga paghihirap mo at ang kapalit ng lahat ng mga pagdudusa mo, no, kailangan mo lang ibigay kay universe yan, mga toxic energies, toxic people. Surrender it all to the divine right here and let go of that control. See? You will have those extravagant gifts right here. The things that you desire, the things that you want here in your life. See? There is some kind of a box, oh, see? No? So whatever the case may be, it looks like there is some kind of a gift, a present right here coming from the universe na ibibigay nila dito ang mga bagay na hinahangad ng puso mo, pero kailangan mo rin ditong isuko ang control, no, sa mga toxic na bagay, surrender it all, no? Yung mga basura ay dapat nang ibasura. Ang lahat ng mga dapat iwanan ay iwanan na sa nakaraan. Yeah, kasi new life na tayo, no? You are about to reach the new beginning right here, Taurus, no? At syempre, in order for us to have this new life, what we should do is we must pa, hindi we should eh. We must release all of the things that is related to the past na talagang burden for us. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Release them all so that the universe will give you gifts that your heart desires. See, ang kapalit ng mga basurang yan, no, ay mga bagay na tunay na hinahangad sa kaibuturan ng iyong puso. See, wherein you can breathe. See, looks like you're manifesting here. Look at your pose. See, I can see that this is you. You are literally on the right path. We've got 1111 now. Yeah, see, number 29. When you add it up, what will you get? 11. When you add this 2 plus 7, you've got the wish fulfillment right here. So whatever the case may be, yeah, I can see that there's some kind of a wish fulfillment, and there's this 4 plus 7 is 11. 11, 11, you're on the right path of achieving your dreams right here, your manifestations, your goals in life right here. Wish and luck is what I'm seeing right here. I can see a very calm na Taurus, serene life ng Taurus. At nakikita ko rito na mas peaceful ka rito sa magiging buhay mo, this new beginning right here, because I can see that this is you. Nagbago ka rin. Nagbago ka pero for the better. Okay? Nagbago ka rin at deserve mo ang lahat ng mga parating sa buhay mo na mga gusto mong i-attract sa life mo. Kasi ang isang Taurus nahihirapan sumabay sa pagbabago, lalo na kung nakasanayan na ito. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this is you. Gift mo ito kay universe kasi matapang ka ritong sumabay sa change. Ang isang Taurus ay takot, or hindi naman sa takot, no? Nahihirapan sumabay sa pagbabago, pero nagawa mo. Nagawa mo, hindi lang ikaw naglakad mo, tinalon mo pa to. See? Yun, no? Tumalon ka dyan, no? Cheetah to mga babes, eh. Cheetah yan, no? Meron akong deck, I don't know the name, okay, or I forgot. Meron akong deck wherein cheetah means happiness. Okay? So whatever it is you're about to achieve here, some kind of happiness, and you're about to receive that. Kasi malapit mo nang makuha yung racing plug na yan. So ibig sabihin, konti na lang makakamit mo na rito yung total happiness na deserve mo. So wow, that's what I'm getting right here. See? Flexible ka nga. See? Nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that this is you, no, nakatawid ka na rito ng bongga, no, dito sa new world na ito. At nakikita ko rito na dito sa new world na to, iba ka na, no, to the point na kaya mo nang sumabay sa pagbabago, welcome ka na rin sa mga new activities, no, well, open ka na rin with other connections, new connections right here, makikipagkaibigan, business partnerships, no, yun ka na, nagbago ka na, no, ready ka na dito sa new beginning na to para para parang nagkaroon ka rito ng ng deep knowing, no? The more that you're open with the new opportunities around you, the more new opportunities will come your way. And that's true. Okay? Kaya tingnan mo, maybe this is you realizing right now, baka kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. Kaya baka ako na-stuck ng matagal sa pain at feeling lost, lonely noon kasi hindi ako open for change. Nagpaka-stuck ako dun sa ganong klase ng mindset. And now, you have this kind of understanding. Now, you know that already. Now, this is you being open right here. Kunwari ganito. Dati ayaw mo ng goal kasi feeling mo boring. Ngayon gusto mo na itong i-try, no? And that's right. Kasi when you're open right here with new positivities, new opportunities, mas marami pa rito magbubukas ng mga bagong oportunidad para sa'yo that is requiring you to be flexible right here. At maganda yan kasi nakita ko ng banderitas. Ayan, no? Ayun, no? Kasi the more na mas nagiging flexible ka, the more na mas nabuboost rito yung confidence mo. I can see you growing here. Maybe mapupunta ka sa isang bagong trabaho rito. Or maybe this is you, hindi ka na ganun kahiyain, no, dito sa new world na to, no, dito mo na ma-achieve rin yung promotion na hinahanap mo, no. Hindi ka na naka-close sa isang box, no, na may talento ka naman pero hindi mo magawa kasi mahiyain ka. Diba? This is you going out of that box. This is you being more flexible here. This is you being more confident and you have this kind of higher self-esteem. And with that banderitas, that is celebration. Yeah, you will achieve something here. It's success, it's triumph. Yan. So, nakikita ko for you guys, no? And with the leg up, yeah, I'm picking up that this is you, no? Talagang gumagawa ka na ng action dito, no? And I'm seeing that this is you, no? Pwedeng ikaw yung provider sa family ninyo, no? Nakita ko rito, no? Ikaw to na parang nagiging pundasyon ng pamilya. Sabihin natin ganito, ikaw yung breadwinner, yan, no? Family ninyo. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no? Na parang, ah, hindi ko sinasabi na parang ikaw na talaga yung tumayong parents, no, sa pamilya ninyo. Pero dito nakikita ko na parang kaya mong salagin lahat ng mga unos, lahat ng snow, no? Parang ikaw yung may, tawag nito, ikaw yung parang sa dulo ng dila ko, hindi ko masabi. Parang ikaw muna yung salag, parang ikaw yung shield bago maramdaman ng pamilya mo yung pain. Kunwari ganito, okay lang sa'yo na magutom. Basta makapagtipid ka rito at mabigay mo rito yung mas masaganang life para sa family mo. Ganun yung nakikita ko sa'yo rito. Okay? To the point na parang you are giving yourself less for you to be able to give more to your family. Okay? But that is not the case now. I'm picking up that this is you leveling up. This is you taking care of yourself more for you to be able to give more to your family. Sila yung inspirasyon mo rito. You're carrying them all at your back right here because you want na mas maging maayos at mas maging maganda ang buhay nila. Alam mo, you have this big heart, no? Parang ikaw to na parang ready ka, no? Napasanin silang lahat dito at maglakad ka, no, sa isang malamig na malamig, no? At ang hirap maglakad sa isang yelo, no? Kung saan, no, tinitiis mo lahat. Pero ikaw to, no, nasunod-sunod na yung magiging winning moments mo kasi dalawa na yung banderitas rito, Taurus, no. So kung ano man to na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, it's happening here, sweetheart, because you deserve this. Yeah, you deserve this. All hard works will all pay off right here. Yeah. And this is a game changer. Pag tinalikuran mo na talaga yung pass, tapos sabay talon dito sa go the distance, yan, no? Iba talagang level ang magiging pagbabago sa buhay mo. This is you realizing, matalino naman kasi ang Taurus eh. This is you realizing, mga mahal, no? Na hindi sapat na manatili ka lang sa less because you know that you deserve more. That's true. Yeah, truth be told right here. So yeah, it's like this is you, no, na doesn't have to be na nagiging spiritual ka. Doesn't have to be na nagpapaka-dwell ka rin into energy readings like this. But this is you, truth be told right here, meron ka ditong deep knowing, inner knowing, na hindi ka rito nag-iisa sa journey ng life mo. That universe is true, that angels and spirit guides are true, and that manifestations are possible to happen. Yun ang pinaka-pinaniniwalaan mo ngayon na lahat ng mga pangarap ay posibleng mangyari at hindi nag exist ang salitang imposible. Yeah. Maybe this is you, kaya ako nakuha yun kasi dati, imposible naman matupad tong gift, yung wish ko na to. Hindi ko na ata makukuha tong gift na inaasahan ko yan, no? That is you in the past. But now, because you have this deep knowing right here, inner knowing right here, na lahat ng dreams mo, no, kahit yung mga pinaka hinihinalaan mo dating never mo makukuha, no, never mo ni-imagine makukuha mo, that is all coming true. All coming true. All. When we say all, lahat, lahat, lahat yun. Yan. No? So, wow, ganda, no? Very inspirational to, no? Na parang because tinalikuran mo rito ang lahat, no? At natuto kang tumayo sa sarili mong paano. Bongga. Meron ka rito mga triumphs, success na paparating sa life mo. Yeah. Okay? At yun yung yaman. No? Yun yung magiging yaman mo. Okay? Alam mo, hasain mo lang to ng bongga. Ewan ko lang kung di mo makuha lahat ng gusto mo. Because it's possible. It's possible if you believe. Yeah. Diba? This is what our soul needs. Faith. Yan. No, lahat ng naniniwala at nananampalataya, no, bibigyan ng katuparan ng lahat ng mga kahilingan nila, siyang matutupad. Diba? So, at the bottom of the deck, see? What did I told you? Tumatawid ka rito, honey. Nakita mo naman, no? From this grayscale world, tumatawid ka rito sa pangalawang mundo kung saan mas makulay, mas peaceful, mas maginhawa, mas abundant, at mas bongga. Diba? Mahaba ang paa ng mga ganitong birds. So, ibig sabihin, no, mas magiging matayog ang iyong tagumpay dito sa new world na kini-create mo. And with got number 3, your life will be at the state of balance here. See, babalansin ang buhay mo at walang ibang nakagawa niyan kundi ikaw at ang pananampalataya mo. Okay? This is really a game changer, Taurus. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay mo? Simulan na natin i-step up tong game na to. Okay? I can see that you are about to go the distance, just like how powerful our first energy is. So, claim this, Taurus. Thank you so much. Sana may love in life. Wow! Bongga talaga tong reading ninyo, no? Very motivational. I love it. So, thank you so much. Annyeong.